Hey guys, Trina here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. You go up here to your search bar in Canva and select YouTube thumbnail. You can see there are a variety of different pre-made templates, but let's make our own today. So I'm going to start here with this design, and then we're going to add in a photo. You can search for photos up here. Backgrounds are really nice. Lots of different choices to make. But I am going to go with this one that I've already chosen. Sort of a starburst pattern. And then we're going to scroll down, right click, and set image as background. I'm going to click on the image, go to filter, adjust, and click on the blur. What that's going to do is blur out the background just a little bit. So there we have our background. Now we're going to add in some text. Again, Canva gives you lots of fun text to use. I like to keep mine simple, so we're going to go here. Now these two are grouped together, so we're going to go up here to ungroup on the top right. And now they're ungrouped. I want to get rid of this one. So right click and delete. And now we're just going to add in our text. So you can see here that I have, the text is a little big, but you can grab onto this sidebar here and just push it over. YouTube. So there's our text. Oh, what happened there? So we're going to, oh, I misspelled that. I'll put a B in there. We're going to select all of the text. Actually, we don't need to do that. Go up here to text color, and we're going to pick this blue color. Let's bring this down a little bit. And then we go to effects over here, and there are lots of different effects to choose from. I'm going to go, this one's kind of fun, kind of crazy. The hollow, echo. We're going to go with shadow. If we click in this box here, it brings up a drop down box where you can pick your colors. And I think I'm just going to go with the white. So now we're back here. Let's go to elements on the left, and I'm going to go with this YouTube play button. You click on here till you see the diagonal arrow. You can scroll out. You can also click on these two arrows here at the bottom and spin it around, and go up here to position in the top right and send it backward, and it will go behind everything. So Canva makes it really easy on you. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is add in a photo of yourself. It's always recommended that you put a picture of yourself in your thumbnail, so we're going to do that. And Canva has some really cool tools for that as well. So let's click on this photo of me, and we're going to click on it twice. We've got two. So we're going to click on the photo, go to effects, click the background remover, and we're going to do that twice. And I'll show you why in a second, because we're going to create one of those fun white outlines that you see. Sometimes you have to click it twice. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing here. Hold on. Okay, there we go. And we're going to do it for this one. So this is the back one. So we're going to click on that. We're going to go up here to cherry. Click on the settings within that box. Go to highlights, and you want to drag this circle all the way over till you see all Fs for white. And do the same thing on the shadows, all the way over until you see the F. And then we're going to bring that back behind here. Get it lined up. And now we're going to click on the front picture, hold down our Shift key, click on the back, and hit group. And now they're grouped together so they can move freely. And then we're going to expand this up and make it as big as you want. I want to send this to the back, so let's hit position, send it backward, backward again, and there you have it. A really fun, easy, quick thumbnail to use for your YouTube videos. I would also play around and look for some stickers in the elements section, because there's some pretty cool ones that you can use. Like I like to use sometimes arrow. We've got some good arrows that you can put in there. Like if you want to put arrow in there, you just go up here to the black. And you can create an arrow, but you don't want to get too many elements on there, so we're going to delete that. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good day.